Have you ever wanted to make those short, engaging historical videos that take TikTok and YouTube Shorts by storm? The ones with captivating visuals and bite-sized pieces of history? Well, buckle up, because with the help of AI, you can do just that. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of AI and how it can supercharge your historical content creation. Traditionally, creating historical content can be time-consuming. Finding visuals, crafting scripts, and editing everything together can take hours. But AI can drastically streamline this process, allowing you to focus on the story and your delivery. Step 1. Scripting. For scripting, you can use ChatGPT, Google Bard, and GravityWrite. I'm using GravityWrite. Go to Social Media Tools and click Hidden Fact Finder. Enter your keyword here. I'll type the hero Hercules. How many facts do you want? I'll type 10 no's and hit Create Content button. These AI writers can generate engaging historical scripts based on your chosen topic. Simply feed them keywords and watch them create a captivating narrative. Now we have 10 unique facts which we can use for our shorts now. Just select a fact for which you're going to create a video. Once you selected the fact, we need to make a script for the video. We have a tool in GravityWrite. Search Script for Historical Facts in top bar. Copy the topic you want. I'm selected. Hercules' name means glory of Hera, Hera being the queen of the gods. And paste here, and hit Create Content button. As you can see, we've got the entire script for the topic. It has also given us the image suggestions which we can use for our videos. Step 2. Generate images. Head over to your AI image generator and create stunning visuals based on your script. Experiment with different styles and compositions to find what grabs your audience's attention. For generate images, you can use Midjourney, Playground, and so many other AI tools. I'm using Leonardo AI. Leonardo AI for the first time. We've made a detailed video on how to create images in Leonardo AI. Please watch this video. Now quickly sign in. It will take you to the dashboard to generate images. Type prompt and enter the image prompt here. Remember when Gravity generated the script, it also gave us the image suggestions. Well, we can use them as our image prompt here. So let's go back to GravityWrite and copy images, suggestions, and paste to Leonardo prompt. Create step-by-step all images and download. It's take 10-15 minutes. Step 3. Create voiceover. If you have a great voice, go for it. Otherwise, let AI handle the heavy lifting with a text-to-speech tool. Choose a voice that suits the tone of your video. I'm using 11 Labs AI. How to create text to voice. For the first-time user, we have made a detailed video on best AI voices. Please watch this video. Create quick free accounts. Go to left side menu and click on Voices button. Click on Add Generative or Cloned Voice. Click on Voice Library. Discover voices from the community and choose voice. Here is so many different voices. Select any one you like and click button Add to Voice Lab. Press Add Voice button. Go to Speech menu, Settings section, click on Second Options, and click to Generated Voice you choose. Go to GravityWrite, copy your script, and generate voice. and download your voice. Step 4. Convert normal voice to motivational voice. To convert normal voice to motivational voice. Audacity is a free and powerful audio editing software for Windows, Mac, and Linux. It lets you record and edit audio, cut, copy, and paste sounds, add effects like echo or noise reduction, and convert files between different formats. Used by musicians, podcasters, and everyday folks for quick audio fixes, Audacity is a versatile tool for anyone who wants to work with sound. Step 5. Image to video. If you learn how to create text to video or image to video, watch this video. Create quick account in Pixverse AI. Click on Get Started in Web. Click on Create button, top right corner. Choose Image icon. Add image. Type prompt. The camera zooms in, increase strength of motion around 80 inches and hit Create button. It's take a little bit time to create your video. When video is created, click on Video, Download Video. Create all video and download. Step 6. Video editing. I'm using free tools Canva for video editing. Canva. For the first time, we have made a detailed video on how to create shorts video in Canva. Please watch this video. Canva is a free online design platform that empowers anyone to create stunning visuals. Drag and drop tools, millions of templates, and a vast library of photos, fonts, and graphics make it easy to design social media posts, presentations, posters, and more. With a free plan and a paid option for extra features, Canva is a versatile tool for individuals, businesses, and educators. Create free account in Canva. Click on Mobile Video. Upload voiceover and all video files recently generated. After, drag and drop the video clips and the voiceover. And add your clips in here now. You can arrange the clips according to the script. Drag and drop the voiceover in below your video clips. Step 7. Fancy subtitles. For fancy captions, there are so many paid tools. I'm using Capwing. Capwing is a free online platform for creating and editing videos, memes, images, and audio clips. No editing experience is needed. Use Capwing to add text, music, filters, and effects to your content. Collaborate with friends and easily share your creations on social media. Did you know Hercules' name means glory of Hera, Hera being the queen of the gods? Raised by the goddess Athene, Hercules embodied bravery and strength. From battling the Nemean lion to capturing the golden hind, his legendary feats are awe-inspiring. Despite facing challenges from Hera's wrath, Hercules never wavered, proving his divine lineage. So next time you face a seemingly insurmountable task, remember the legacy of Hercules. Strength doesn't come from what you can do. It comes from overcoming the things you once thought you couldn't. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.